Welcome back to the channel CryptoTro. I am CryptoTro, bringing you the latest and the greatest in cryptocurrencies. And today, man, we're talking about Harmony One and how they are really building out the blockchain and how I believe it will be one of the most slept on crypto projects going into this bull market. Now, are we out of the bear market just yet? No, I don't believe so. I do believe it's still a lot of time to accumulate some of your favorite coins just because we just getting started, man. Although we seeing prices start to rise, we see the fear and greed index is starting to rise. More market cap or more liquidity is being flooded into the market caps in the crypto space, but we still have yet to see the biggest picture and the biggest news that's going to really move the crypto space. And that's right, I'm talking about the Bitcoin ETFs and the Bitcoin halving. Now, when these two things happen, I believe it's going to be so much more money flooded into the crypto space just because we know Bitcoin is the #1 cryptocurrency out there, and we know a lot of people want to see Bitcoin succeed. And once they see, those gains in Bitcoin, they'll start to say like, okay, let's look at all of these other crypto projects that have yet to experience that same gain, and let's make even more gains on these altcoins. And I believe that's what's going to happen when those two events transpire, and Harmony is really setting itself to be one of the biggest layer 1 blockchains that's out there. So we're going to talk about that, and stay tuned to the end of this video, man. I'm going to give you some very bullish news on Harmony One and tell you what they're doing and how they continue to update and bring up the blockchain back. So let's get straight into it. What are we talking about? Harmony One, let's look at the price today. So we can see Harmony One is currently at 1 cent, 0.015, and that's up almost 3% in this past day, man. So 3% in a day. If we zoom out a week, we are up 15, almost 16, really 16% this past week. And if we zoom out a month, we are up 11%. Now, we did experience those highs in the earlier of November. We almost got up to that 2 cent mark, but that's okay. We still up in this past year. So this past year, we got up in the early days of February. We saw that we hit that 2 cent mark, but we are down currently. Now, I do believe it's still so much more room to grow. Coming in at a $209 million market cap, ranked 177. I do believe market cap for Harmony One can easily hit that billion if they continue to build, out their AI sector of the project. Now, volume is at $16.3 million, and that's down 1%. That's coming in at 263. Now, if we're looking at top left-hand corner, the market cap for the entire crypto space is $1.61 trillion. So the market cap for all cryptocurrencies are going up as we speak, and that's always something bullish to look into. And also, not only that, but we see the fear and greed is 81 out of 100. So people are becoming more greedy as we get into that bull market. Now, we are entering or about to head into a new year. We're going into 2024. We know how these cycles work, man. Every cycle we see, in December, projects start to go up. They come down a little bit. Then once that Bitcoin halving happens, we start to see absolutely appreciation with these projects. So that's why I'm just waiting, man. It's a waiting game. A lot of people are super impatient, man. But in the crypto space, you just got to pick the projects, 1 to 3 projects that you believe will, appreciate over time. And it's not that hard. A lot of people overthink it. A lot of people buy the all-time highs and things like that. But you want to get in when nobody is pretty much buying, man. Like, just pretty much in October, September, we saw a lot of people were not talking about cryptocurrencies, were not buying these projects, and the fear and greed index was below 50. It was like 42. It's crazy how in such a short amount of time the narrative has changed. And a lot of people want to get rich overnight, but don't really think about how fast you can really get rich in cryptocurrencies if you are picking good projects, if you are buying at the bottom of these projects when everybody is fearful. That is when you make the biggest gains. You don't have to trade it day to day. You just buy on the dips. And that's why I always say, especially with Harmony One, it has been through a lot of things in the past. Harmony One has been through, those hacks, biggest projects leaving the blockchain and things like that. But they are continuously rebounding and trying to find new ways to be innovative. And that's why I believe in Harmony One still, just because they already have a smart team. But not only that, they are building out their blockchain when everybody thought it was dead. So let's go into some good news for today. Harmony One now ranks number 4. So by weekly report, top 10 ecosystems ranked by GitHub commits. According to CryptoTro, we see Harmony One has 751 commits. And Harmony One is the open and fastest blockchain plus AI startup who is just building a world-class AI, making AI easy, accessible, and affordable for everyone. So congratulations, team and community. Now, this doesn't mean too much, but I always love to see Harmony One on those charts. This is ranked by the GitHub commits, and that's according to CryptoTro. I believe that's how you say it. But like I said, Harmony One is really, being innovative when it comes to the AI sector of things. They have their own app right now, and that's something big to be looking forward to. I made a video about that in my previous, or talked about it in my previous video, but they are making some big things happen in the AI sector. And that goes to my next piece of news. We saved the best for last. That's right. Let's talk about it. Big strides for Harmony this week. Here's a sneak peek, and this was tweeted yesterday, so we can see external leader rotation. So the initial stages of our leader rotation process are now underway. This pivotal development furthers the decentralization of Harmony protocol. So this is just pretty much making Harmony One even more decentralized, and we know that is pretty much what the crypto space is all about: the decentralization, owning one's own assets, and being able to control your own destiny. So we can see the technical paper coming soon. So we're crafting a comprehensive guide on our current and future protocol enhancements, aiming for a mid-December release. So something new is coming soon, so expect that and be on the lookout. So on-call success, address various DevOps outages swiftly, ensuring our operations run smoothly. Then we got some biggest news of the night: 1 second finality code. So progressing well thanks to the collaborative efforts. It's a challenging yet exciting journey ahead. Then we see team sync. So focused discussion on stage sync, leader rotation, and more. We're tackling challenges head on for a robust Harmony protocol. So a lot of big things coming for Harmony, man. A lot of big news coming out. I know a lot of people don't realize this, but Harmony One is very much still alive, and they still are building, and that's why I'm still bullish on it. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, they've been through some things, but if a project can't bounce back from what they've been through, then I won't invest in that project. But Harmony One is bouncing back from the last cycle blues, and I believe this is going to be a pivotal moment in the protocol's history. So that's my video for today, CryptoTro. Make sure you check out my crypto playlist, man. Check out my Harmony One playlist. Check out all of my playlists to stay up to date on every video I drop. I'm out of here.